Jimmy at 7070 South. Custom paint is $300 a wheel for custom paint. Everything in the Southwest Freeway. That's 7070 Southwest Freeway. All right, y'all. This customer brought us. Want y'all to know I fix curb rash, I fix bent wheels, cracked wheels, you name it. To do. I have a base model silver that's standard silver. It is a Lexus silver. If you have any questions, call my phone 83. Load it on Facebook. If you have any questions, thank you. Repair reloaded. Over here, different type of orange on the calipers. You want the calipers just a tad. Any questions, please call Jimmy at 832-8